Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Golden Island Korean barbecue recipe, fire grilled pork jerky. Check that out. This was on sale, and if you look here, there it is right there. Tasty. And here's the ingredients though. The pork sugars, and of course you got garlic powder, spices. There's no, they don't have nitrates in this, so let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so this is what they look like that. You can see the sesame, and it's actually very tender. Okay, it's got a sweet taste to it, like traditional Korean barbecue, and it's not salty. Yeah, pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.